Hey, I'm Haley, here to show you the deadbug. Really great exercise for core strength and stability, right? So we want to start with the easy version. You can start with your legs long and your arms overhead. We want to bring the opposite arm towards the opposite leg. Right? They don't have to touch. If you can't reach, that's okay. Remember, if you bend your knees, it's going to be a little bit easier than if you stretch your legs. I want you to think a little bit about your low back, your lumbar curve. Try not to let it move a lot, right? Shouldn't do a lot of movement. Try to keep your belly button pulled in, bringing it close to the ground. If that was no problem for you and you want more of a challenge, let's start with our arms and legs in the air, right above our hips and shoulders. We're going to extend again the opposite arm and opposite leg, and switch. If you want to make this harder, you could squeeze a ball right here, right between your arms and your legs. That's a good way to know your core, your deep abdominals are turned on. There you go. I could do this all day. Maybe you can too. So I hope you give it a shot. Really great exercise. Keep moving and have an awesome day.